Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly special lined up for you. We're going to explore the wonderful world of fruits and vegetables for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. These delicious and nutritious options will keep you energized and satisfied all day long. So, let's dive right in. Starting off with breakfast, the most important meal of the day. We've got some fantastic fruit and veggie ideas that will kickstart your morning. First up, we have a breakfast smoothie. Blend together some fresh spinach, banana, and a handful of berries. Add a dollop of Greek yogurt for creaminess and a drizzle of honey for sweetness. It's a nutrient-packed way to begin your day. Next, let's make some avocado toast. Slice up a ripe avocado and spread it on whole grain toast. Top it with tomato slices, a sprinkle of salt, and a dash of black pepper. Simple, yet so satisfying. For those who prefer a lighter option, a fruit salad is perfect. Combine diced watermelon, pineapple, strawberries, and kiwi. Add a squeeze of lime juice for a refreshing twist. Now, let's talk about a nutritious and delicious lunch featuring more fruits and veggies. Our spinach and strawberry salad is a must-try. Combine fresh spinach leaves, sliced strawberries, toasted almonds, and crumbled feta cheese. Drizzle with balsamic vinaigrette for a delightful lunch. Up next, we have a veggie wrap. Fill a whole grain tortilla with sliced cucumber, bell peppers, shredded carrots, and hummus. Roll it up, and you have a crunchy and satisfying meal. For something heartier, try our quinoa and roasted vegetable bowl. Roast your favorite veggies, like sweet potatoes, broccoli, and bell peppers. Toss them with cooked quinoa. Drizzle with tahini dressing, and garnish with fresh herbs. Now, let's wrap up our day with a nourishing dinner filled with fruits and vegetables. First on our dinner menu, we have stuffed bell peppers. Fill hollowed-out bell peppers with a mixture of quinoa, black beans, corn, diced tomatoes, and your favorite spices. Bake until tender and delicious. If you're looking for a low-carb option, try zucchini noodles with pesto. Spiralize zucchini into noodles. Then toss them in homemade pesto sauce. Top with cherry tomatoes and pine nuts for extra flavor. Finally, for dessert, we have a grilled fruit medley. Slice up pineapple, peaches, and bananas, then grill them until they're slightly caramelized. Serve with a scoop of vanilla yogurt for a sweet ending to your day. And there you have it. A day filled with delicious fruits and vegetables for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. These recipes are not only tasty but also packed with essential nutrients to keep you feeling your best. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy and exciting recipes. Thanks for joining us today. And we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy.